In Excel, you can compute either for multimodal data sets, you can compute uh, the various modes. Um, let's look at this data set right here. I can use the CountIf function to count how many of each of these data values there are. Our values are 1, 2, 3. I'll go ahead and just use that many data values that we can count. And I can come here and I put CountIf, and our array is over here. I want to fix the cell reference, so I need to insert the dollar signs, and I want to count if those data values are equal to 1. And once I know that there are two values of 1, then I can copy that cell down, and you can see that there are 3 2s and there are 3 4s. And so I know that there are two modes. The modes are 2 and 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay, so these are the data values and these are the counts. So let's go ahead and use the multi-mode function. I can select an array, and without click, I highlight it, and then I will start typing, and the typing will go in the top cell. So I'm going to put equals mode, and I'm going to choose multi-mode, open, and the numbers are in this array. And at this point, what I will do is I can push control. I hold the control key and the shift key down together, and then I will hit enter. And you can see that the modes are 2 and 4, and there isn't anything else available. So the NA means that there are no other modes other than 2 and 4. And these match the 2 and 4 values that we had counted. And so this is how you can compute multi-mode, find if the data set has multi-modes. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.